Let's face it, in this culture, women are way less likely to grow up using power tools and building things than our male counterparts. Wild Abundance's Women's Basic Carpentry class was created to respond to that need. We teach you to tame those mythical beasts called power tools. It gets women and non-binary folks up to speed on working with wood and planning and designing simple projects. I'm Natalie Bogwacker, and I'm the founder and director of Wild Abundance, and this work is extremely important to me and all of our staff. This class is appropriate if you are a total newbie or if you have a bit of experience.
Campus is beautiful, the people are wonderful, the teachers are excellent and patient and kind. If you've ever thought about doing something but just a little afraid, you owe it to yourself to take that chance. Just that, sometimes just getting over that little bit of fear, it just opens up a whole new world.
We've spent over 10 years running and refining this 4-day weekend workshop based on student feedback, which attracts students from all walks of life and from all over the country and the world.
Done a lot of courses, and the quality of the teaching here was really excellent. Definitely worth the investment. I saw it as an investment because I've got so many things I need to fix and I don't know where to start. I've bought the tools and I just have sat there for nearly 3 years not doing any of it, and so it was well worth the money.
The campus is nestled in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains, where the mountain air is a big relief from the rest of the South.
I think the location is absolutely beautiful. Being in the mountains, it's gorgeous here.
A woman and non-binary space is super important for learning these skills. It creates a non-competitive, safe space to ask questions, have fun, maybe be goofy, and definitely make friends.
It was a great experience being in the space with all women of all ages and coming from all over. Yeah, it was just a very supportive, non-competitive space, and I feel like being a women's space, we just all were really able to help each other and hold each other.
It's a really organic environment. The camaraderie really comes out. I think I didn't necessarily totally expect that. So I thought just the way it's structured and the way that the philosophy is set up, it really just automatically, organically brought people together, and I thought that was really cool.
Throughout the 4 days, you will learn how to use hand tools, how to safely use power saws, work together on a group project like a picnic table or deck, demystify the lumberyard by going there with a group of awesome ladies and teachers to purchase materials, and finally, you will design and build your own personal project to take home.
There was also something built into the schedule where they suggested somewhere where we could meet, and a group of us met there, and there was a range of ages. It was all women going through various periods of life transitions, and a level of community developed that was really beautiful, and I went home thinking this is also part of why I'm here. In addition to the skills, it was very valuable and I totally recommend it.